Hey YouTube, so this might be a longer video. So much so I'm actually going to be plugging in my camera. I am going to turn this on and off periodically, but I'm over here at the Walmart in New York, Jonestown to be exact, and today is a really slow day, and you're just seeing this part of me for right now. And so they said that they got nothing else for me until later. So I was like, okay, cool. So I'm gonna cook up some dinner. I got some baby carrots I'm gonna saute up. Some steaks. These steaks I got for actually a pretty reasonable price. 12 bucks for two. So cook one up now, eat one later. And got my CB on. What the hell are he saying? I have no idea and really don't care. So the plan is going to be maybe cook both these steaks up. Might just do the one. I have no idea what. People on CB. Also to go with dinner tonight, I got some Amish potato salad. So that's going to be kind of good. So I'm going to keep dinner relatively simple and still getting everything needed. Now I did do a video the other night, didn't like it, so I didn't produce the video, so to speak. But tonight, this one I'm gonna do. I've just been in really bad internet spaces, so I forgot the whole reason why I went up there. I needed the vegetable oil. This is getting a little full here. Got some black pepper and salt. That's going to be the seasoning for the steak. I'm a bit of a purist when it comes to my steak. I don't see whole purpose to get all kind of fancy. I was about to use this knife to cut up in the package, but I mean, come on now. It's a little big, but I really do like that Essie knife. So I'm just going to use my cheap little handheld thing. It's just to cut the dang package open, guys. Alright, so I'm waiting to find out about becoming a mentor. I had a ticket. The ticket has now been removed, thankfully. So I'm hoping that I can start mentoring soon, because I really need the money and I don't have what I'm looking for. Oh, sorry guys, this video is totally unprepared. Alright, let's try that again. I'm going to be cutting out a huge section of this video. I was not prepared to start cooking. I now think I am reasonably prepared to start. But when you're cooking inside of a truck, I'm telling you, it is tight. And this is going to be my lid for my steak, so that I don't get oil all over my truck. So can I run it on 900 watts? Yes, I can. Alright, so this new wave, I can't run it on 1500 watts. For some reason, my power inverter just freaks out. But on 900 watts, it runs, I think. Just started beeping at me again, so I guess I'll keep you guys updated on that. In the meantime, let's go ahead and get some cracked pepper on these steaks here. This is going to be the unmost prompt to cooking video ever. I am going to season both sides of the steaks. I'm just going to do the one side, lay it down in the pan, and then do the other side. That's just easier, honestly. The carrots I'm gonna do. I wish I had picked up some onions. You know, foresight 2020 type thing. Because onions would have been pretty good to go with this, with the carrots. We're just gonna saute them up a little bit. And let me get the phone. Alright guys, so I just got off the phone call. This is the broken headset. I did do a video on it. The button no longer works. But I found that if I put it about right there, the button works. So I already contacted the company. The company's gonna send me a brand new one. It's just a matter, I gotta be somewhere long enough for them to give me a new one. So really, it's not I mean, it sucks, but I really like that headset. So the steak's been frying for a minute now. I got a little bit of olive oil in there. So let's take a quick look. So there's my impromptu lid, and don't want to get splattered with any oil. So that's kind of what we're seeing right now. Actually, let me take that off to the side. Let's take a look underneath. I already feel it. It's coming along great. Look at that. We'll go ahead and get them turned. I'm a firm believer. You don't keep messing with it. You just let it cook. So, with that mindset, we're just gonna let that cook. So we're gonna have the carrots, which I'm snacking on right now. I'm gonna cook up some of the mashed potatoes. Those mashed potatoes, it's really good if you have some cream cheese to put in there and mix in. Awesome. Alright, I really like those mashed potatoes because they're simple, easy, and quick. Anything that's simple, easy, and quick is freaking awesome. The crust on this steak is coming out fantastically. I wish I'd left that in my cooler. Oh well. I don't know where I'm going to put those steaks on for them to rest while I cook up the other stuff. I'm going to put them on 2 paper plates just so I don't get, you know, grease and dirt everywhere. So we'll put them up on top of that. And that also reminds me I got to take some antibiotics. I smashed my thumb real good and it got infected, and yeah, it tickled. Not really. Did I tell you guys this would be a long video? So while this is sitting here cooking up, I do have some things I could tell you. So as some of you guys may know, I did repo. I did repossession. If you'd be interested in hearing about some of the repo stories I did, in the comments let me know, and I could do like a little storytelling on some of those, because there's some really awesome repo stories. I'm also going to be finding out later on today or tomorrow morning if I could be a mentor or not, and that's kind of what the phone call was about. So I'm really quite happy about that. I really want to know what the end story of that will be. Yeah, I really don't have too much else to say, so I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to get the steak cooked, kind of show you what the steak looks like when it's resting, and then I'll get the carrots going, and then my mashed potatoes. Or I might just do the mashed potatoes in the in there. You know, I might do that. Anyway, catch you guys in a minute. Alright guys. Oh, sorry. I ended up back on the phone. So, dinner is now done. And so I'm going to show you guys the final product. So, I'm just making a plate now. Dishing up some of my carrots. I ended up making a lot more taters than what I originally wanted to. And of course my steak bled all the way through. Let me get rid of this plate. Alright, so there's that. Oh, I need my knife. Dish up some of this mashed potato mix. This mashed potato mix, guys, it cooks quick. I can't talk enough about this potato mix. And it tastes almost as good as homemade mash. So, to me, that's freaking awesome. Now, don't look at the top of my cooler too much. It's gotten dirty a little bit here and there. But, oh, let me get this put up. I don't want this powdered mix getting everywhere, because this is not exactly the easiest thing to clean up. Alright, here we go. Alright. Dum dum dum. Carrots, potatoes, steak, and I got some potato salad to go with it. And later, yep, I got rooked. Thin Mints. Damn Girl Scout cookies. They're gonna make me fat and ugly. Well, fat. I'm already ugly. Anyway, so I cooked all this inside the truck. You only got to see part of it, unfortunately. I don't have a good cameraman. And I'm tired. But man, I'm gonna be eating good tonight. Although, I got 4 dishes. I got this, got my fork, a frying pan with another steak, and my spatula. So, cleaning, easy. Anyway, I'm gonna eat. See y'all in the next one. Please comment, like, rate, subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. If you guys would like to see or hear about my repo stories, throw them down there in the comments. I will try to get more cooking videos, especially if and when I get a student. So, stay tuned. See you on the next one.